Friends, it is Running Kimono. I hope you're all having a great day. We're going to be looking at the Walgreens preview for the week of October the 9th to the 15th. So lots of great deals in this ad, and always expect the unexpected over at Walgreens, the store that, you just can't underestimate, because sometimes through the different apps, magic happens. So the first thing that we're going to talk about on Thursday morning, these started to pop up in your digital coupons folder. It's always random and your mileage may vary. The more you shop, the more these tend to just pop up, as I've noticed. I got this on both of my accounts of $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $50. So they must be under the understanding that I'm rich, but I still can make a deal happen with this because we have a lot of great deals in this ad. So again, it's valid from this window only the 9th to the 15th. It is of a one-time use, so even if it's still lingering in your account, it's a one and done. If you might be so lucky to get a paper booster, yes, one digital and one paper will stack for you. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or bills. Do not use Walgreens cash, as it is a spend booster and it will mess everything up if you use the Walgreens cash. Before we dive into the deals, very quickly, signage for the clearance event has been popping up at various stores at the Dollar General. Shout out to Graceful Deals over on TikTok, a very good content maker over there if you wish to give her a follow. But yeah, I made a 24-minute video on the clearance event where you can get a lot of this stuff for next to nothing. The clearance event is taking place this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so it's ending on the 9th. Why bother? I shop at Walgreens. Look at this price of this disinfectant spray, 2 for $14, or the original price is $7.49 per. This weekend over at the Dollar General, the same can is going to be like $2.84, I believe, with digital coupon. For Lysol disinfectant spray. There's a lot of really good information in this video. If you wish to check it out, it'll be linked at the end. If you love to haul cleaners, toilet paper, the meat and potato coupon stuff at a rock bottom price, you're going to want to watch this video. Again, linked in the notes and at the end. To Halloween, we have the Snickers Fun Size for $2.49. Last week it's the Reese's, so every week to Halloween they have like a deep discount on some fun candy. The Reese's were a huge hit in my house. They're all gone from last week, but we have Snickers this week. For the keto dieters, or if you prefer nuts, $1.99 for these bags. That is an excellent price point for nuts. Okay, deals of the week. 3 for $12.99 for the 7-Up, $5.99 for the Wonderful Pistachios. I believe there's going to be a $1 digital coupon dropping that down to $4.99. $6.99 for the 10 count of the Dunkin' K-Cups, and $5 for the Scott's paper products with a $1.25 IVC, dropping that down to $3.75. The first deal of the week that we're going to look at is the $5 Irish Spring or Soft Soap Body Wash, whichever one you want to buy. $5 reward when you spend $20, and we're going to have a $2 coupon for the Irish Spring or Soft Soap Body Wash. Now, if you might have this booster, which is $5 back when you spend $20, I didn't get this one this week, so this is just an example, but let's look at it using this booster. Grabbing 4 of these body washes for $20 on the nose, subtracting that $2 digital, along with having your booster loaded, you're going to pay $18 plus tax with your debit card, get back a $5 register reward for spending $20 on these products, plus $5 in Walgreens cash for your booster, shaking it out to $8 for the 4 products, or $2 each. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using this in concert with a booster. The next deal, really fantastic, $4.99 for the Kleenex, Viva, Cottonelle paper products. $10 reward when you spend $30. If you might have this booster, and I'm just using this one as an example, let's throw this into the mix. Now, obviously, you're going to have to mix and match because of the paper shortages a couple years back. Some stores, they really are strict about how much you can have, but if you grab like a couple Kleenexes, a couple Viva, a couple Cottonelle, I don't think it'll be a problem, but just keep that in mind. But grabbing 7 of them at $4.99, that's $34.93. We have our booster loaded. So you're going to pay that with your debit card, the $34.93, unless you have some register rewards that you want to throw in. Then you're getting back a $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster and a $10 register reward for buying $30 in these products, making it $19.93 for the 7 products, or $2.84 per product. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using a booster in concert with this deal. This is the same rebate as well as the Kotex and Huggies that are advertised in this flyer. So if you're going to do both in the same transaction, you'll only get one $10 register reward, so definitely break it up. And let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Kimberly-Clark is part of their catalog, the parent company for all these paper products, so you will get back extra points for this purchase. Dealio that we have, and I'm so happy to see this one back, $5.49 for the Bounce Downy Tide Laundry Care, $6 reward when you buy 4. So there it is. Unfortunately, no digital coupons at this time, but check on Sunday morning in case we get some. So let's throw in our little booster, and this again is an example. $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20. I hope a lot of you get this one because there's so many deals to go with this booster. So grabbing 4 of these Tide products for $21.96, you have your booster loaded. Then you're getting back a $6 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, shaking it out to $10.96 for the 4 or $2.74 per. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using a spend booster with this deal. And say you wanted to stack this with either the Huggies deal or the Cottonelle deal. Yes, you would have a basket of $50 if you have the spend 50, get back 10, just an idea. And then you're getting back a $10 register reward and a $6 register reward for this deal. So a little bit of magic. But yet again, we got to sit to see what digital coupons we're going to get on Sunday morning to make this deal really happen. Now, if you are in need of diapers, this is a superb deal. This is the same deal as Kotex and then Cottonelle Viva of spend 30, get back 10. Just to note that 2 for $21. Unfortunately, all the digitals are expiring on Saturday, so Sunday morning we got to see what we might have. If you might have this booster, 5 back when you spend 20, by all means throw it into the mix because it's more money. IBOTTA has $3 back for the new leaf, and if you read the fine print, you can't use it with a coupon at Walmart only, but I think at Walgreens it should work. It's not excluded, but definitely double, triple check Sunday morning. You have these rebates. Over on Fetch, you're going to get back $1.50 along for this new leaf. So at the very least, grab one of these new leaves because it's a really good one to grab, along with the black one, which is the pull-up nighttime ones. And there's another $1.50 back from the Fetch Rewards app. So that's $6 back from IBOTTA and $3 back from Fetch, $9 back in rebates, guys. Looking at this, grabbing 3 of the Huggies products, and you're going to grab the specific bags that I just talked about for $31.50. The third one will ring up for half of the sales cost price. That's how I'm getting it. You're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, plus a $10 register reward, $6 back from IBOTTA, $3 back from Fetch, take a breath, $7.50 for the 3 or $2.50 per bag, which is a really superb price. Do not use any Walgreens cash as we're using a spend booster in concert with this little dealio. Now here is our wild card, BOGO 50% off on the Aveeno lotions and potions, and it says $5 reward when you spend 20. So a lot of people were saying that skincare was not part of it, but as per the ad it is, so even customer service would have to credit you that $5 reward. Will the $10 reward print out when you spend 30? I do not know. We're going to have to wait and try this out on Sunday morning. So this is the wild card, and what is so wild about this is 2 for $11 for these Aveeno body washes, so grabbing 6 for $33, you'd get $10 back plus another $5 reward, IBOTTA, and then that rebate website. So we're going to have to wait and see how this stacks up and lines up. I'm still waiting to get my $10 PayPal drop from them. So we'll have to wait and see how this is stacking up on Sunday morning. But this one is definitely be on the lookout for wildcard. Let's talk really quickly about some honorable mentions. If you are a home cook, this is a really good one. 2 for $2 for the aluminum foil. So I know a lot of stores like Walmart, Meijer, super expensive for aluminum foil. So when you can get it for $1, I would stock up. Use some Walgreens cash, register rewards, whatever you may have. But yeah, it's a really good price point for aluminum foil, especially if you like to cook at home. Some of the soft drinks that are kind of like an honorable mention, 3 for $13.99 for these 12 packs of Coke, Sprite. Buy 2, get 1 for free, 2 for $6 for the 7-Up, 2 for $7 for the 7-Up. So there it is, a lot of soft drinks on the cheap. Another cheap detergent is a BOGO free on the Ajax Laundry Care. As a personal preference, I'm a Tide girl. I think you guys probably know that. But if you're trying to build up your stockpile, Ajax is a really good detergent to have on the ready. Also, $10.99 for various P&G laundry care products, $2 digital coupon. We're going to have to wait and see the quantities that you're buying, what's coming back, what the deals may be. So we're going to have to definitely keep an eye out for this because this might be another wild card for us. And then the final thing to keep an eye out for in the store, BOGO 50% off on the Walgreens generic brand of paper plates. $2.49 for the Ajax liquid, not bad, and $3.99 for that Clorox spray Pine Sol as well. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.